Hello everyone. Welcome to the Media Literacy module. This module focuses on a particular aspect of media literacy in educational process. We engage with media every day. This course will explain teachers how to allow students to be active learners in our media-rich environment and to think critically about how media shapes and influences culture. The primary focus of this course is to examine various forms of media in popular culture and to understand their impact in terms of both their advantages and their limitations. The participants will be able to create an awareness of the different types of media, their historical backgrounds and various purposes, critically analyze various forms of mass media in terms of audience purpose, content framing, and format techniques. Learning outcomes. Broaden knowledge about the importance of media literacy. Learn materials aiming at developing media literacy skills. Learn how to engage students and motivate them to establish effective collaboration and develop problem-solving skills as well as their self-esteem. Learn how to lead and deliver experiential activities to stimulate the students' media literacy skills. Get to know and practice ICT tools stimulating media literacy awareness. Exchange good practices and discuss challenges with fellow colleagues and the course trainers. Lecture outline. This lecture is divided into 4 key parts: media literacy, media education, media and fact-checking. I will begin by defining media literacy, then I will introduce what is media education. After that, we will discover different types of media, and finally, I will demonstrate how to check facts on different resources. What is media literacy? Media literacy is the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, create and act using all forms of communication. As a field of study, media literacy comprises and overlaps many different theories and subjects, from critical thinking in psychology to linguistics and ethics in technology. Media literacy triangle. The media triangle is a way of organizing the way we interpret media in terms of the types of text, the audiences, and the production of that text. There are 3 main areas in the media triangle: text, audiences, and production. A media text is any piece of media that we can analyze, meaning that it can be anything from a book to a movie. We can analyze these texts and sort them into categories like genres. The media triangle is a great way to organize media. It can tell us all about the text, the audience, and the production of a piece of media. What is media education? Media education is education about the media. Media education focuses on the media we all encounter in our everyday lives outside school, the TV programs we watch and enjoy, the magazines we read, the movies we see, the music we listen to. What is media? The term media includes the whole range of modern communications media, television, cinema, video, radio, photography, advertising, newspapers and magazines, recorded music, computer games, the internet. Questioning the media. A central component of media literacy is asking questions about sources, messages, methods, impacts, facts, influences, and a host of other things. Production. Who makes media? Language. How do media communicate meaning? Representation. How do media portray the world? Audience. How do people make sense of media? What are media messages? Media messages are the values and ideas that are promoted by the media, the things that get put into them. Social media messages means forms of communication, including internet sites for social networking or blogging, through which users create a personal profile and participate in online communities to share information, ideas, and personal messages. What are media effects? Media effects represent their influences and consequences on the audiences. What is fact-checking? Fact-checking is a process that seeks to verify factual information in order to promote the veracity and correctness of reporting. Fact-checking can be conducted before or after the text is published or otherwise disseminated. Internal fact-checking is such checking done in-house by the publisher. When the text is analyzed by a third party, the process is called external fact-checking. Fact-checking questions. Who is behind the information? Who shared it? Why are they sharing? What is the evidence? Is it a reliable source? Is the source reputable? An expert? What do other sources say? Practical Task 1. Questioning the media. Let's explore the Instagram, a very popular online platform among young people. Find information in the internet and answer the questions. Share your answers with the class. Production. Who makes media? Language. How do media communicate meaning? Representation. How do media portray the world? Audience. How do people make sense of media? Practical Task 2. Fact-checking. Check the fact and answer the questions. The fact: Ukrainian children will start this school. You're offline. Share your answers with the class. Who is behind the information? Who shared it? Why are they sharing? What is the evidence? Is it a reliable source? Is the source reputable? An expert? What do other sources say? Summary. Congratulations! You successfully submitted Media Literacy module. Now you know what is media literacy, can define different kinds of media, analyze the elements of media triangle, and check facts on special resources. You know the difference between the media message and media effect and can check facts. All these will help you to be a good teacher and develop your students' media literacy skills.